open Kubadia Café. How much profit did you make today? Accounting is also known as language of business. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are starting a new series, Accounting from Scratch. So imagine we open Kubadia Café and we have invested rupees 5 lakhs in that. But before opening a cafe, we purchase furniture. We make sure that our interiors are done. We purchase raw materials, Wi-Fi, POS machine. We hire employees, etc., etc., etc. So, if somebody comes and asks us, "How much have you spent till date on your cafe?" Some people would say, "We don't know." Some would say a random round figure. But this is not correct, right? So this is where accounting steps in. So moving forward, let's assume that it is the day that cafe finally opens. First customer enters. He orders a cappuccino, rupees 200, and he pays through UPI. Second customer comes, rupees 300. He pays by cash. Third customer comes, rupees 600. But at the end he says, "Sir, I forgot my wallet today. Can I pay you tomorrow?" And we say yes. So pause. Now, if I ask how much did we earn today, some people would say 1100. But some would say that no, still 600 by one customer is pending to receive. So how did we earn 1100 rupees today? And the next moment my partner comes. He asks me, "How much profit did you make today?" So there's a misconception that 1100, that is the revenue earned today. Many people would say that our cafe earned rupees 1100 today. But no, it's not the truth. Cash earned or revenue earned is not equals to profit. We don't know the inventory cost. We don't know the electricity cost of the day. We do not know the employee cost of that day. All needs to be deducted from the revenue earned, and then we can tell our partner what profit did our cafe make today. So imagine that our cafe runs on a daily basis, 100 customers, 200 customers, 300 customers. Cash, GPay, bank, credit, suppliers, loan, inventory. Is it possible for a normal human being to memorize all these things? No. Accounting just helps us to keep a track on all of these things. It answers the questions a business owner has in his mind. It answers the questions such as what profit did our cafe make? We owe how much to the suppliers? From whom is the money left to be received? What is our inventory? What is our cash on hand? Are we making a profit? Are we growing or are we failing? So accounting helps business owner takes decision basis on facts, not on memory. And that is the reason accounting is also known as language of business. So now assume a foreigner visits our cafe and he shows an interest in investing into our cafe. He does not speak Hindi, he does not speak Gujarati, he does not speak English, and we don't know his language. So now, how will he be able to understand our cafe, or how will he be able to understand that our cafe is running successfully? That's where accounting comes into picture. The financial statements of our cafe will do the work. He will be able to know each and everything just by looking at our financial statements. That is the reason accounting is very much necessary, and it just helps us keep track of our business. And सबको हिंदी आती हो, English आती हो या ना आती हो, but the world of business understands the language of accounting, and that's the only reason accounting is known as the language of business. So, yes, this was it about today's episode. What is accounting and why is accounting necessary? But in next episode, Kubadia Café officially begins its journey. We will purchase first inventory, we will buy a coffee machine, we will pay rent, and for the very first time, we will record all the journal entries in the books as an accountant would do without making accounting boring. So, if you are someone who has never done accounting before, please do stay tuned and do not miss out on our episode 2. And if you liked my video and if you like my video, then please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please follow my channel for more such interesting videos and learning accounting and taxation in a very simple yet interesting manner. So yes, thank you guys. That was it for today. Bye bye.